Welcome, it's another exciting time in Bloom's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you a very yummy soup recipe. We are going to be making fried peanut soup with swallow. For my swallow today, I'm going to be combining yam flour with coconut flour. That way you can reduce some calories here and there. If you haven't subscribed, this would be a great time to do so. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and leave me a comment in this comment section. I'll be right back and we'll go straight to the ingredient. Thank you. So for my peanut soup today, I'm going to be using roasted salted peanuts. If you can find the ones that are unsalted, then that's better. So just be mindful of how much salt you're going to put in this one. So we are also going to use garlic powder, salt, thyme. I'm going to be adding locust beans. That is optional. Pepper soup spice. That is optional. I just have about a teaspoon here. About quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, fried onions, chicken stock powder, pepper, blended crayfish, basil, mackerel. I'm going to also add Uziza leaves. I just add Uziza and locust to really give me a depth of flavor. Fresh ginger, bay leaves, sliced mushroom, and here I have dried prawns. So you can use fresh shrimps if you have fresh shrimps. And here I have blended tomatoes with bell pepper that has been steamed. Traditionally, the soup is made with palm oil, but I like to combine mine with canola, so I'm going to be doing a mix of the oil. And then I'm using beef with the bone in. This will help you build a whole lot of flavor. And I have some onions here and 2 dried catfish. I like to put tomato paste in my soup. I'm using Tasty Tom. I got a Tasty Tom and the dried prawns from Amazing Grace Food. I'll leave a link in my description box. And also I'm going to be using some freshly harvested kale from my garden. If you haven't watched any of my garden series, please do well to go check it out. It's really super easy and fun to grow your own vegetables. I'm going to start right away by blending my basil, ginger, and an onion. We'll use that to spice the meat, get it cooking, and then I'll just cut up my leaves and do some other stuff. If you haven't subscribed, this will be a fantastic time to do so. Thank you and keep watching. we have it. Our fried peanut soup is ready with swallow. So I ended up doing a 2-to-1 ratio, pounded yam 2 and the coconut flour 1, and I still added a little bit of psyllium to bind it. So if you are doing just the coconut swallow, make sure you have enough psyllium because there's no starch, so it's not going to come together. So give this a try. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, leave me a comment in the comment section, and until next time when I bring you another recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.